I've got a 2014 Mazda 6, and we've done the scheduled maintenance on here, and now we need to get rid of that scheduled maintenance due light. We do not have the upgraded system in here where you would have used the settings button in the applications form and stuff. So this is the older version. This is the iTouring. The Grand Touring would have had that system. So we're gonna have to go through our dashboard right here. And so with the engine on, off, and the car in on mode only, we're going to have to use this selector here. We're going to go to the settings screen, click on it. We're going to go down to maintenance, scheduled. We're going to say set distance, and then we're going to be at 7,500. We're going to go ahead and set the distance. So this should reset the counter. Tire rotation, we're going to go ahead and set distance, 7,500 miles. We're going to go ahead and reset it for now. And then we're going to go back, and that's basically it. Now we're going to go ahead and press the brake, start the car, and the light will not come on. So that light is gone. So we can go see, we no longer have that screen anymore where it says maintenance due. So I'll reset it by saying, hey, I want to set the mileage at 7,500. Just click on it. Do that both for tire rotation and for so with that resets the maintenance due light. It's a little counterintuitive, but those are the steps you have to go through.
This concludes our video. I hope that this material and information has been useful to you. If you have any questions, please ask down below and I'll do my best to answer them in a timely fashion. Please help me out to take advantage of the YouTube algorithms by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for watching.